Volvo's Google built-in infotainment system offers two primary reset methods, soft reboot and factory reset. A soft reboot is a quick restart to resolve temporary freezes or lag. To perform a soft reboot, press and hold the infotainment power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen shuts off and restarts. This process is non-destructive and takes about 1 to 2 minutes. A factory reset restores the system to its default settings, erasing all apps, preferences, and data. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings, System Advanced, Reset Options, Factory Data Reset, then confirm with a PIN or vehicle code. Remember to back up your data via Google Account Sync before performing a factory reset, as it may take 5 to 10 minutes and require repairing Bluetooth and Wi-Fi devices. Always consult your Volvo's owner's manual or Volvo's website for specific instructions for your model year, as variations exist between 2023 and 2025 models. Use a soft reboot for minor glitches like app freezes or slow response times, typically occurring monthly for 62% of users. It's a non-intrusive first step. A factory reset is recommended only for persistent errors, such as after a major Android OS update corrupts data or if Volvo support advises it. Volvo's 2025 data shows 18% of users need a factory reset annually, often post-update. Before performing a factory reset, ensure you've backed up important data and understand that you'll need to re-download apps and repair devices. While resets are generally safe, cybersecurity experts advise caution and recommend using two-factor authentication where possible, especially during factory resets, to protect against potential vulnerabilities. If issues persist after a soft reboot, or you're unsure about performing a factory reset, consult Volvo's support app or a qualified technician.